To extract your footages, peel off the USB cover, and you can see the USB hole. Plug in the USB that has been given inside the set. There should be a blue and green light at the top of the camera. The password is 6 zeros, so click on OK on 0. Go to File Explorer. Click on the D drive and click on TCIM. And you can view all your footages. To delete it, select on the videos that you want to delete it, right click and delete. To eject your camera, click on eject thumb drive and you can safely plug out your camera. Thank you.